In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for your Shopify account. Now, two-factor authentication is an essential step to enhance the security of your account, as it adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. By the end of this guide, you'll have learned how to activate this feature, ensuring your Shopify store remains secure. Let's get started by logging into your Shopify account. This is the foundation of our tutorial, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Shopify dashboard. On the top right corner of the page, you should see your profile icon. This is your entry point to modify certain personal and security settings related to your account. Click on your profile icon. It is essential to pay attention as you navigate this section because every step counts toward enhancing your security settings. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Manage Account and click on it. This will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account settings. Once the Manage Account page is open, you will see several tabs and options. Your focus here should be on the Security tab. This option is typically located in a list on the left side of the page. Click on Security to proceed. Now, entering the Security section is a crucial step because it holds the key to both maintaining and enhancing the protective measures of your account. Here's the part where we bring two-factor authentication into play. You'll find an option labeled Turn on Two-Step, also known as two-factor authentication. This is the point where you enable this extra layer of security. By clicking on Turn on Two-Step, you'll initiate the setup process for two-factor authentication. It's important to note that this isn't just adding complexity to your login procedure, but a vital step to safeguard your store from unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication requires you to verify your identity using an additional method besides your password, usually a code sent to your mobile device. Now let's explore what happens during this setup process. Once you've clicked to enable two-factor authentication, Shopify will guide you through each step, prompting you to enter your phone number. Make sure the number you provide is both current and accessible. This is essential because the two-step authentication codes will be sent to this number. After submitting your phone number, Shopify will likely send a test code to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This code is a way to verify that your mobile number is working as expected for sending and receiving authentication messages. Enter this code when prompted. Doing so confirms that your two-factor authentication is ready to be utilized. By successfully enabling two-factor authentication, you're adding considerable security to your account. It means that even if someone somehow discovers your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the authentication code sent to your phone. This extra step might seem small, but it plays a massive role in keeping your information and store activities safe. As a quick reminder, remember that setting up two-factor authentication is just one part of maintaining security. Regularly update your passwords and remain vigilant about any suspicious activities connected to your account. As digital security continues to evolve, it's crucial to adapt and keep your safeguards updated. In summary, you've learned how straightforward it is to enable two-factor authentication on your Shopify account. This quick process can make a significant difference in the level of protection you afford your online activities and store data. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in guiding you through securing your Shopify account. Thank you for watching and taking the time to focus on an essential aspect of cybersecurity. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please reach out or consult additional resources through Shopify's support center. Have a safe and productive day, keeping your online presence secure.